What is the most expensive part of an HVAC system? This is a question many homeowners in Tulsa, Oklahoma ask when they're facing a major repair and wondering how serious it might be. In most residential systems, the compressor is typically the most expensive component to repair or replace. The compressor is located in the outdoor unit and acts as the heart of the cooling process by pressurizing and circulating refrigerant. When it fails, your air conditioner cannot cool at all. Because of its complex design, labor-intensive installation, and refrigerant handling requirements, compressor replacement can be costly. Here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, air conditioners work hard through long summer heat waves. Lack of maintenance, dirty coils, refrigerant leaks, and electrical issues can all shorten compressor life. If your system is more than 10 to 15 years old, replacing the entire unit may make more financial sense than replacing just a compressor. If your AC is not cooling or you suspect a compressor issue, do not guess. Schedule your air conditioner repair today or call ProThermalHeating&Cooling to get started.